Hi everyone. Currently I'm working on problem 5 dash 1B this time, wherein I have to put the amounts to the accounts. So what I usually did do in this one, because as you can see there is a lot of it, and also on letter A, wherein you have to journalize transactions. Instead of referencing it back and forth to letter A, what I usually do is I use snipping tool. As you can see here, it's a snipping tool. Um, to pull it up, you just have to press a window key button. It's on the lower left of your keyboard, and then type snipping. And then once you click it, it will gonna pop up this one, the pop-up box, and then you just have to click next to screenshot, this part that you wanna work with, and just adjust it. All right, so that it will fit in your desk, in your screen. And then while I'm working on letter B, I'm just referencing it to snipping tool so that I won't be back and forth with letter A while I'm watching the tutorial video. So I hope this helps you out, and thank you so much for listening.